Ringphawon da ajiwi khamata ya pawping Kazip phungli mi yum gathat ningmong da FIR thasang haira Ukrul aina kamjong le Bobby khling ni share shigajin maram ngasan haira Kamasom le thingrong ling sang rani khuika haira Lekhyang ator aja the Tangkhul Express we pau Ringphawon Zimik in a ba midalay pau ping may sa ina nganang rumsa Kazip phungli mi yum gathat ning khomong le da FIR thasang haira aja hon tarik mati ngaya somi kusomva ko mayara aka karili ashita laga thihai sada ali chakmai magathai nauna sa gathadra da ningmong dalai Ishi pau mi na wa khanga thingli shimkhur ping na kahang somi hi taxi kathau naw jingum magada shini jat kasana aje wi khayon kachang jingum magada chishat kapai gi da lei kasana shimkhur na kahang somi hi ngazin pung chishat chikhali phaja khuilaga ngosot naw ping aina khamui semchai ra da shokhawa kala ngosot naw ping le ngosopom da leilakha ali mi na hod leya da shokhawa da hanga Now the awi taxi ji nala shong thousand hai kasa mina kathai aina wa khyang tharan kare alung ana kapam khawaile ashitra ka ta hai saya kala kare wi khamong mushung mada awi phasawa nala le ta chang hai saya kala kare ji wi engine la mashimit rang sada amaibuna shok shimit mi nawa da hanga osho ji ngaya pungchuko thara atamli ko shok na chiya Shimkhuna ka hang tha kha awi hi accident kala shat aina ko shok maning lak mana ka ja speed breaker leida khlai apam wi aina ashi ngi ta laga meters shakha shikha wi thili karijin nalawa ta chang hai ka sana da hanga awi phasale sa cha ka hai akhama khyang tharan akuili khai aina shat mi ka hai we achon da lei saya kala naji lila khamarik od aina to mi hai saya kala akahung khunuk wagla to put mi hai saya kuchi hi hanga ocho chili awu vario kusom vana ning magutung phongshoka
Ishi aji shoktak le ocho thi wang ba mai shimkhuru mi akhsman jangau ko Ringphawon ne ka jawa atum ring ka phaling rok salala sa da hyang ka chakshi da sayro vairo sa ka tha ma sa tatla ka pha da maina hangung rok la ka or Saka bailila, sakwing rok la ka hangsi japar. Ka simkhur na mandai mai tui the maring phajia. I ra khangdei ram khangdei le saka tabnim nei iram local we alungyang hili shok nei. Jaw shok da kle hili mi thi ka sal le kai kala mangla ji hok chang khain da ki ba sharing par le Ringphawon nei. Tha sal la itum hiwang na athut khuira hi thara ga chu ningrin la khi klam leim nei. Kala awi chakshi pau hi ta da shoke hi thai gi le ithuma khi khala ma theim ne aruila
Maram hi kup maida thekhwai ishi pau mi na police li wa khang thing tharan ocho chiwi FIR wa thasang hairo kha ariri changwa ayin kala glu khi khala masam phangranga chiya postmortem sakhwai kathingun ji imphale phungda hairo kala chiwi report athishu da thainawra da SIW marjang na hanga Bobby Lui Khwa kala ari arai shichin khungui maramle aya ukrul aina kamjong district wi foothill villages ping khangasan sahaira ngasan ji thoye baptist church li rungda nishari shichin da khlai naw ping le katha da ngachon mi kan khuirakla kachi maramle la khangasan saya Rani ji Baptist Churches Forum ukrul aina LMYAC Litan Mabitul Yangang Pokpi area churches na makhok khamina Ngasan Rani jili khung thrada kathumi aina mi hang chishat ka da wajanga jili aunga ping church pastors ping shinaw kathana ping yaron ngala kathana ping la wajanga Tangkhul Naga Longwe Vice President Twisem Kamkar Tangkhul Shinaw Longwe President Thingrepi Lunghar Oshi kala awi otsak roma ping Baptist Churches Forum ukrul mi ping NGOs wi minganing ping FXP India Suraksha NPP Counseling Center with mi changda ukrul aina kamjong district kupung pamle Bobby Lui Khwa chungsang da khlai maramle ngasan kala sarkarwi war on drugs le mathalak aina ot ngurut khuira da tuitak ta haira atumna apong guthum aina shoro khuira nisha addict zga hyping le detoxification kala rehabilitation facilities aina khangachon avu awaping kala satsa bai naungra ping le nisha shijin khungui maram awareness khuika khami kala bobi wa kasang ka kham la nisha le hi ka kham le jangra da tuitak taya hangda khaleji sashap khawai committee semra chili khwe headman pastors ping kala church kathana ping janglaga ajwe ga changle sem hawra da leidale hiwi maram wiwang local level le yarwina shurki gji jizuk khmila shokra satsa gabai khnui thot kala ethics pingli moral mental kala manglarin le support mi khawai church le counseling center semra long now bina games awareness programs kala seminars rungmira kjila ngaje khaira Ukrul Town Baptist Churches Forum Chairman Reverend Remember Reminder Kahang Chikatha Khangasan Rani ji aya wijina kaphangang saya Reader Chikatha Khangasan Rani ji Ukrul Mission Ground Pumre Baptist Church Union Baptist Church Ukrul Kala Kamjong Baptist Church Lila Kamjong Headquarter Lila Runghairo Chia Twitok ta ka hai sara da khaleji katiaw kapai naw maning mada stakeholders kachivu we mi ababu na ichicha we ot ngurut khuiplungra da Reverend Remind hanga Kamjong le local committee semda otla hapokhaira da hanga Ukrul aina Kamjong district we apam thrada akaka da le chikatha ngasan rani khuika fura da leya gji Reverend Remind hanga Khomosom bag aya thingrong khling rani khuika haira plant tree is the sounds of nature kachi hina tikui sada thingrong khling rani che the new generation na khomosom khayangkho youthly ngashik da mukhok khamina Ukrul DFO we aina thingrong anau thingkhani khuilaga youth former president kala DKS we forest and environment secretary Mr Rekhang Haurena thanda khomosom le tarik mati thang thingrong Thinka Shakani Shika Waling Sanghaira. Kala Aya Bobi Lingda Clay Kanina Ringphawon Apong Kate Kwiga Sang Sada Yongchak Arong Shaka Hangpanga Waling Sangrum Haira. Hitada Shorkana Ning Sang Misi Gujiva Bobi Kaling Hi Swita Mai Haula Pai da Sampangda Clay beneficiaries na hanga. Mokok me bing nala Ramwi Youth Ping Kala Ramnao Katongale Ningashi Kuchunka Pongshok Dale. Kala Kamusom ring an ayapamli Mingpo Mikahai, Virgin Forest Kuchihi, Muchman Sakayasa, Kucha, he Imoram Tangkhul Mina the Hanga.
HIV IBC Lambi Marie Kuktada, Mio Yamadagi Madasindi.
HIV positive Oiba, Mama Padagi Machada.
Sakangda Mio Singa, Condom Yaldana Human Marie Tambamatamda, HIV Sandui.
Mi Amaga, Yatum Sirin, why do not season abada, HIV Sandui.
Ana laying the e-cab matamda HIV test of the e-cab labadi HIV shantu.
Chang Naina Amadi Niom Chumna Condom season abana, HIV taking out to
Sexual transmitted infection STI.
Haibadi, Pinungi Lena the Gisunga Topongami.
Adu Angang Pam Drabadi, condom Sinabio.
HIV have a virus asina, Mipung Kudimak to Sokali.
Masigi Nam Kailete, Jahi, Lining, Kanglup, Natraga, Nupanupi, Angang Kaidi.
Mashina, me Amadagi Amada, Matang Sandopongam.
Aina Domu Sinari, HIV test on the Bagidama.
Aina Domu Signari, Condom Sisna Bagidama.
Aina Domu Signari, Nasabo SIB the Ikan Janaba. HIV AIDS Kimaramda, Hena Kupamoron Kanga Bagidamak.
It's toll free number 1097 the phone to me.
English Hindi natraga Manipuri de Waris Haba Yagani.
Nako H F2 download to view, Amadi Sisna view.
Aya Ukrul Violent Bazarli Shim Kuchui Shokta Yari Mulung Tagadung Sakwi Haira. Violently Dr. Pamzalwi Kham Shiwi Shim Masagashok Dukan Pareng Akawi Aina Jushokda Jiwi We Ya Kangaron Kala Twinar Hawa Muiji Ka Akawi Alungli Electric Short Circuit Kushokna the Hanga Kala Mahailak Aina Shim Kuchui Jili Misagazam Shokmana Shim Kuchui Electric Short Circuit Kasa Aina Rakashokna the Hangda Khalai Maramli Tangkhul Katamna long way President Shimri Rising Li Kharjan Sada Anagahang Ukruwi Electricity Yang Sangmida Khalai Department Kala Company na Ukrule Electricity Kapan Shikuchin Kathahi Serious Sada Yang Sangming Sagaya Maram Je Ukrul electricity wi DGM li ngahan khawa tharan sim chui ku phok maram hortak ka hai theising ku khui malai thu da chui maram li khika mahang fu ga chi hawa chili ka thei mi na ka hang tha kho sim alungwi li internal short circuit aina rak shok na da shaya sim ku chui chi ngzin pungshini makhai shikhale thei ga phok na kala ukru fire department pau sampang khlew da wang fu mi da hang fire brigade kari khani kala yari pingwi khangjon changda meiji ngafu khui hawa ayawi sim ku chui chi fire department atam mushman lakla phat phat wang fu mi da mei ku chui pamli lei ka satara khana department le maya khangai phongshoka Ima Ketil Kutumli Lay Londa Clay Shinau San Wivang Capacity Building Training Program Aya Hotel Imphali Rungmi Haira Rani J Center Kala State with National Commission for Women Mokhok Mida Chief Minister N Biren Singh na Muso Sada Wazanga N Biren Singh na Kamutwili Kahang Manipur Shinau San na Manga Thanda Ngalay Hiwi Maram apam ngatei tei dale khamataya ot murut khuimida manipur regisang hakasang le sharuk mathalak ena khuimi haira collection outara khana state government institutions we akhoka pamlila changdalai state we administration lila ot murut khuidalai da chief minister na hanga manipur we shinau san ping empower sahaira kuchi hangda shinau san na regisang hakasang ot mangale thangi kuchi atam rahaira da biren hanga Rural economy li shinau sana leina londa khalehi khamataya akhana kuchi hangda atumna oguchi wi khangache phaikar khuithei khawai digital maram lila thei thangmai phlungra da biren hang capacity building training program china leika sale mobile technology shikachin tamchi theira cashless transaction sakathai banking services samka phangkala sarkarna schemes mida khlai tankhui khawai apong maram lila tamchi theira da hang State Sorgana Ima Market Shini Semi Haira Kala Shinau Sunday Empower Sami Khawai Chikatha Lainganong Arila Taraka Semi Delayda Biren Hang Sorgana Jadur Mushing Atishuda Mijang Mikai Malay Manakachi Hangda Tribal Communities Saikora Wivang Lamvele Lainganong Semkamira the Chief Minister na Hang Training session ni changda khlai pingna ningsanglak ena tamkhuida jili majang kharo shinau san lei khlong naw pingle tamji the muron lo da chief minister na hang social welfare minister Hekham Dingo ena national commission for women with chairperson Rekha Sharma la Rani Chiliwa janga Rekha Sharma na ka hang shina vendors pingchina ot khoyorchi state mangle matang haila ngalei ka teili la washung khawai e-marketing thei phulungra them phulungra chikatha training programs chi kaphungwak lei khlon shinau san wiwangla samira da sharma na hanga Manipur State Commission for Women with chairperson Thumlip Taining Pham Mong Sang members Lorembam Dayabadi Devi aina T Jongsing Koireng Social Welfare Department with director Ngangom Udam Social Welfare Department with officials ping kala Ima Market Kathumi Lei Khlo Naw ping Rani Jiliwa changa Tubul Yard Railway ka sempam ngalei khaminle mawansa ka hai pingle phaningong da Rani Jili Chief Minister na thanda minat akha chingri ka hai atam mayon miya Capacity Building Training Program chile banking schemes with maram online banking singthei khawai khashina we ayan laws new GST laws tax compliances hikata thawi maram kala e-commerce maram le tamjitheya Tupul aina None District Headquarter ngachai National Highway 37 le ngalungkui minta da leihauka da apam chile kari mazat follow da None Deputy Commissioner na jizami haira lungkui ngalei minda shongfuli takhor ka haije NHIDCL na thermi khawai salala min kata hi lei chi hauka da kanung kanwale satsbaya da DC None na chishat miya chida da sada National Highway 37 Namdungjang Khung aina Tupul ngachai le emergency supplies makhaning kari saikora machat ngsak famara chi haira None ngalei khamin li sacha da Assam Rifles Multi Specialty Hospital Mantri Pukrile ngahada khlai pingwe koshogzang aya Governor Manipur La Ganesan wayang sanghaira Arishangchili 107 Infantry Battalion TA we Army personnel shuni ngahadalai kala Governor Jina atum thakda phaharunu gji phongshoka Aya search and operation kasali miyakala masam phangmana da ngazin aina tangdawi pau samphanga ngalei na minror ka hai mi thrada mati thrada phanga masam phangranga da shaya Aya Assam Rifles Axis Bank kala NEIDO with Memorandum of Understanding Shwai kasalila Governor na Vazanga MOU chi Churachandpur District Kangwaile Assam Rifle Center of Educational Excellence Semka Khawai Maya Khangrog with Shwai kasana La Ganesa Nakahang Assam Rifles Kapha Otngrud Khirashum Hairang Kala Assam Rifles Center of Educational Excellence J Manipur we Khanganui Aspiring Katamnao Bingwibang Safe Environment Khiramida NEIDO Aina Assam Rifles we Mentorship Azingli Tamrira the Hanga Center RIT JEE NEET Entrance Examinations Kathali Confidence Laming Sagra Matha Makeup Kachi Infrastructure Mida National Level Entrance Examinations Bingwibang Ngaran Khawai Matha Makeup Kachi Tutoring Mira the Hang Board of Secondary Education Manipurna Rungmi Kahai 2022 we High School Living Certificate Examination Result Ajui Tarik Tharale Shokai Rasara the Hangdalai Board of Secondary Education Manipur Chairman Akham Choi Kumarna People's Chronicle Likahang Thakha exam result hi rakra tarik tharawe alung hile shokme khawai board na ngarandalai India le show the kle hotels kle restaurant pingna service charge ngatai da mapar primary da Ministry of Consumer Affairs na tahaira hangda kle hi kashak zawe am Food bill willi phone the service charge the gazang maninga kha ngatai da chikatha aman kaparche mamaya mana da sarkar na hang hi wi maram hi Central Consumer Protection Authority CCPA na guidelines le mishok the unfair trade practices musichin khawai kala consumer lo shai lo mangda khlai pingwi mushun le khayashi khawai chizami hera aming gate aina service charge mukhui pai mana kala consumer wi tungle service charge tanti aina mapar pai mana Mika Chilala consumer ichichawi ning aina vaing sagra the ministry jina hotels kala restaurant pingle chizami haira hotel restaurant kachi kathana service charge per ka sathe ka hai consumer na National Consumer Helpline NCH le complaint sava paira helpline number 1915 maninga ka NCH mobile app ainala hangwa paira the ministry na hang Unfair trade practice thayaka consumer commission we e-dhagil portal www.e-dhagil.nic.in ni hanwa paira da ministry chin hang Thobal district li khika dakle centrally sponsored welfare kala development schemes pingwi maramle Union Minister of State for Education Dr. Sabaj Sarkar review sahira Chiwi review meeting Thobal DC office conference hall isada Lok Sabha MB Dr. Foze Lorho Herok MLA TH Radhyashyam kala Thobal Deputy Commissioner Ahan Tem Sobas Atumlavazanga Thobal khika dakle schemes projects magada akaka the Union Minister na review sahira implementing agencies pingwi officials pingna manga khawa maram aina kasak samphangda khlai Phaijithei Kalafan Angared la Hangjitheya District Supply Officer of Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution CAF and BDW Akhawa pingna kahang state with farmers pingna hat kakhui maji state na lokhi khawai provision malerang haukada farmers ping ma sam yorgshogli kasak samphangda leida hanga Thobal Water Resource with officials na kahang irrigation canals semkhawai ngalei gakhwili la kasak leidalai but others kai khana atumi ngalei direct yorshok mi hailala tara khanawa ngalei gakhwi mi gushok ji khangai act sarkar with land acquisition act aina ratang sakra da leidalai kachi hi hang Union Minister na atumi report ngana khuida concerned ministries le ngasan mira da hang Kadam Gashivak Kayang Taran Worshimi Campus Thermatheng da highway kan khana national litam jithelo da Union Minister Jinahang washroom shichinlaga tiragasing hikatatha hi shurngasak phulungrada use water after washroom kachi katha poster bills la nap miloda minister china hang worshim atam kuchida thermathengda leng sakhawai yang sangme chishut me akhali kapang sang hailo kuchila union minister china hang Thobal district wibang ngataida JNV shomi khawai maramle MLA TH Radhyashyam Nahangda, Thobal District li JNV kala KVS Shomi Khawai, Union Minister Juna Yangsang Mira the Hanga. Union Minister Dr. Sabas Sarkar hi Manipur li Mati Thangwivang Unglaga Aya Zathaira. Ogatu startup ecosystem hak makeup kuchili India na kakathumali jangdalai. Maramji Union Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal na kahang India with startups mga khawahi sarkar we kotom khami wangna startup ecosystems le support sa khami we kakathuma edition ranking of state exercise 2021 result phong khami rani achonthang New Delhi le khwikada Goyal na chili khamutui le kahang fund of funds seed fund scheme income tax exemption kala angel tax issue resolve sakami higatatha hina India with startups ecosystem le ngachon mi haira kala ogutu with startups ecosystem le India na number 1 ngasap lungki gachina da hang India le districts shathuruk hangmati we aina startups thing hangshini da akhal leidlai kala psycho rawe hot khana janglaga startups chungmai shok ngasak paya da Goyal na hanga Ranking of State Exercise 2021 le Gujarat aina Karnataka Best Performers States li changa. Assamese boxer Jamuna Borona Ilorta Cup le silver medal khuyui sampanghaira. Ilorta Cup final boxing hanche Kazakhstan we capital Nur Sultan le Horthang reuda Jamuna Uzbekistan we Nijina Uktomova le Mayuiratuwa. 2019 World Championships bronze medalist Jamuna hi 54 kg wili khangreona ngahan chile youth world champion khani Alfia Bathan aina Kitika na gold medals khui mai khaya samphang haira India wishinau boxer Kalaivani Srinivasan la silver samphanga Nagpur we Alfia na 2016 world champion Lazat Kungebeyeva li ngatakda langai phanga aina khui samphanga Ilorta Cup china Alfia aina Kitika khanini we Khare senior international ngahan ngasaya
Hoziki matamda mepum khodimakna hainari stay home stay safe Wahai se magun dilai adubu wahai da magun leiragata yabasu natte oibe yai yumadu da magun leirabade Mamangai dadi yumse yum khakta oirame hojikti office spa salon restaurant supermarket manamasingi kaitel angang singi school amadi football field pumnamak yum ngaktani hojikti yum danatana hairiba pumnamak sing sisu samely aduna yumbu yam section na sabiyu maximum ga loinana maximum teklaroi da yum tatlaroi da mari
Assam li Paulak Kahaya Paumeshim Agrodut group of newspapers with Singum Hangpanga Angasut Ungashun Golden Jubilee Achumuyontla. Chiwi Rani li Prime Minister Narendra Modi la video conferencing aina changra da leya. PMO na kahang Rani Chile Assam Chief Minister Himanda Biswa Sharma la Jangra. Sharma hi Agrodut with Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee with Chief Patron la Sadalai. Agra Duthi Assamese Bi-weekly Sada Assam with senior journalist Kanak Sen Dekana Hagupokna 1995 kum Tangkhul Kupong newspaper Dainik Agra Duk Hoda Achirashungda Assamle Ngayaulak Kahai newspaper Ngasada Leida Hang Indian Armed Forces li Chingumbati Zangkhawai scheme Agnipat with recruitment atam Shokmi Haira Achagajang Union Cabinet na Miami Kahai Khutara Khana Mamya Ngaila Khale Ngayat Ray Kahai scheme je Agnipat Hoda Chili Kapangakui Khanuthot Pingle Agnivirs Hora Agnipat scheme Wivang Army recruitment rally je Manipur district Kachida Wivang Bhagat Stadium Ranga Bahar Military Station Dimapur Sara Dalaya Recruitment ji pi kajangwe tarik shini aina hapok da magada kutum aina tangra da hang eligibility criteria kala QRS maram www.joinindianarmy.nic.in sangmira Agnipat we online registrations la aya aina hapok haira Saikor na online registration saplungki kuchina da hanga Vice Presidential Election Wivang Nomination File Sakwai Election Commissioner Chishat Mihaira Indian Vice Presidential Election we Nomination Ji Ajwi Tarik Thrada Chuko Aina Tangda Sapaira Vice Presidential Election Paywi Tarik Thuruk Tang Saki Kuchina Kangacha Aina Vice President hi Electoral College we members Pingna Kapangkaya Chile Parliament Houses Kanini with members Ping Zanga Ajwi Vice Presidential Election Kapangkaki Kuchi Electoral College elected members Shakani Tumrada Kutum Zanga Rajya Sabha with nominated members Tharada Khani Lok Sabha with elected members Shapanga Hangmatida Kutum Zanga Saiko Rungarum Laga Electoral College Mishashini Hang Chishada Chishat Laya Vice President M. Venkaya Naidu with Otpam Angarit Rakhara Kajang Tarik Tharathang Paiki Kuchina Latlushita Achu Kamataya Pauping Kazipungli Mi Yumgatat Ningmong the FIR Tasanghaira Ukrul Aina Kamjongle Bobby Kling Nishari Shigajin Maram Ngasanhaira Kamusomli Tingrong Ling Sangrani Kuika Haira Achu Bao Henang Changhaira, Bangana the Clay, Nutum Psycho Relay Ringapa, Kala Kamahaya Zimik Show, Nasaserano.